Amidst the vibrancy of Ahmedabad, Enso Villa by the Grid Architects whispers peace. Anchored in the elegance of the Zen circle, the Enso, this home flows with nature's light, shadow and seasons, creating a holistic sanctuary in the city's heart. The villa's design orbits around a central Enso garden, a living core that draws life inward. Its interlocked volumes, courtyards, balconies, open terraces, blend light and form, echoing the balance of solids and voids. Facades feature recessed glazing and elevation boxes that optimize natural light while mitigating heat. Enso Villa is built on a reinforced concrete frame structure, a common and durable system in India, offering structural stability and flexibility for open-plan layouts. The exposed reinforced cement concrete elements are left visible in key areas, such as ceilings, beams, and exterior walls, celebrating the raw aesthetic and reducing the need for excess finishes. Spaces align with nature's flow. Living, dining, and kitchen encircle the garden and water features, framed by green pockets at every turn. Transitions, through hallways, terraces, stairwell, elevator, are seamless, creating uninterrupted connections with nature across levels. Light becomes architecture here. Sunlight cuts through from north-facing double-height living rooms and skylit stairwells, bringing the sky inside. Glazed expanses, shaded by louvers and elevation choices, allow natural daylight to flood spaces while enabling cross-ventilation suited for Ahmedabad's hot, arid climate. Crafted with intention, materials evoke warmth and sustainability. Kota stone flooring, oak wood furniture, eco-friendly Vedic paints, breathable jute and linen fabrics. Exposed RCC with textured surfaces and aluminium louvers blend rawness with subtle modulation. Within, Enso exudes quiet elegance. Sunlit double-height living areas open to green tranquility. Oak and soft textiles signal comfort. Spaces unfold with calm balance. Artworks and refined lighting enrich the emotional interior narrative. This is not architecture imposed but rooted. The central garden, water features, and native plant palettes form an ecosystem of wellness. Passive strategies, green roofs, rainwater harvesting, and ventilation design make Enso both ecologically conscious and emotionally serene. Enso Villa is more than a house. It's a meditation in stone, air, and light. In its quiet courtyards and sculpted shadows, it offers stillness, connection, and sanctuary, where architecture and nature become one.